Ole hei ka website homepage ania. Welcome to Jazer. Ita hianin ka Jazer logo ma.
Good morning, Jazers. Be different, be exclusive. Stay away from drugs, alcohol, and tobacco. Hai video hen in thil karon puang dua thulong nom lampang deuh mai. Chu ke mai in online business karan ve to don ti hiani. Online business ming chu Jazer, an educational brand ti ani a. Tin ka online business hian in website ania. Hemi website hi ke ma design ke ma develop ani mo. Chadin ka website link hi description a ka danga ani lo ponin Google a in kalanga jazer.in in tianga ka website ka aron lang mai don ani. Ka online business yan in ka PhD work te, ka research work te, ka paperwork ing mati boy don lova. Ti boy hekin ka online business hi ka PhD a in kan don ani. Ma kan ka thui mai thil karon soi le lo ka formal education le self education hi atran kopa kan man thiam chuan thila ti theilu tu gani. Hemi hi Jazer ka website mo ka online educational brand hian in atar lang chiang em em ani. Tizoni thil pakhat le a chuan ka earbuds ang hi in mang du ni chuanin noise earbuds thuak thar nia active noise cancellation of oma sound quality tha em em hlang ai thlang na tha a in call in voice quality a clear tha em em a chan chu mic pali oma quad mic kan tiang chi kamo chuanin hemi hi Amazon in cha ve du ni chuanin description of one in a link ka da don bok ani ole tuna apoi mo ber ka online business thar tarlan na ka Jazer website tuna ka no bi chiang
Ole hei ka website homepage ania. Welcome to Jazer. Ita hianin ka Jazer logo ma. Hei click chuanin Jazer homepage hain min shruai ve shrim shima. Ti chuanin kan scroll thang changkang te meni ala en reng lawa. Wow, very nice. What a professional looking website, man. Hemi website hi keima siam ania, keima siam, keima develop, keima design ania mo. Ta hian home ma webinars. Webinars click on webinar page amin show ya previous events, participants, tutoring oma, ebooks oma, services ti oma. About us click on in keima Jazer chungchang, keima ni chungchang. Chuan our team founder le co-founder oma. Contact us payment. Hemi hi hey Amazon atang te pon thilin nei phone ka ringa I Razor Pay mga automatically thei tur khan tin ka apply ve ni chumo amaro chu RBI hian in onboarding of business hi an halt ria anti top ria nakina an chun zom an hon le ve le a I min lak ve theina turin hemi privacy policy heng policy ho zong hi ka website a heng ka da lok veka chuan okay scroll oh Jazer, an educational online brand by James H. Zoltan Luonga. Chuan be different, be unique, be exclusive. Stay away from drugs, alcohol, and tobacco. Oh. Next one. Jazer firmly believes in the transformative power of formal education and self-education. Hemi ka soy fialo kang formal education to college degree, university degree, heng academic degrees how hi ania. Formal education hi to achievement te hazon nante sorkar hazon nante. Hey, mani in discipline nante thila mi ka makshret nante mi ti sang laka exposure vani nante atangkai velu tukani. Amaro chu degree nei satliar ngo tikan tam tolu tuka chuwan chonin formal education hi apoimo rol in self education hi apoimo emani self education chu nge kan ti chonin YouTube te Google te le I engamani conference tiang events manga tanga mani kan inzir khami self education kha apoimo boka ti chuanin formal education le self education hi I combine I mang thiama nangma personal development ata na I mang thiama ni chuanin I nun hi athak lok theini it can totally transform our lives chuwang chuanin heta Jazera chuan mo we firmly believe in the transformative power of formal education and self education hemi kan katar lang du kherani next hey services offered by Jazer ti oma educational webinars kan host dona business webinars kan host dona online tutoring kan pedon boka I educational webinars om je chu nakina tunari chonin pharmaceutical science kan research ti na line khana ni maya nakina chonin career guidance ang tepon kan latianga I specialist te super specialist te scientist te saprama om ti ti te po ha I webinar te kan la nei puyanga ni lopon podcast te kan la nei puyanga chuan business webinar sa chonin sum do na mi hlothling te po kha I kan la ko manga thu te kan la soitiranga tin I webinar a hen in sharing tur chu I keini chuanin hei topic ve explain ro dai chonin how to engtie ti tur nge engtin nge khatiang kha ke chonin kangai poima chonin online tutoring hemi molecular docking QSR modeling le admit predictions tu kemani research ti na lampang mani apo Taiwan ami online tutoring ka pe darkar thum chuanin Shillong ami darkar ni online tutoring ka pe boka mo Google Meet mangin ka pe ni chonin more info te click hianin webinar page ha min shwai mo webinars conducted by Jazers are in-depth, informative, and immediately applicable in life. Katika hey, topic ve explain ava soito pai chonin khami pia lama hanin how to engting nge kan tiang engting nge hi ka research line or engting nge hi kanuna ka man tang kai hal thiang khati ha ke chonin ka ngai poi ma homepage kan le le lo kang vai khat score thalang a changkang ni score thak te hi ma chonin I business webinar support to tiang tho chon ani nga chuan next we have additional services chu khami main services pia lama ntiranin website internet a professional cv upload do ta je chu naiwa apply don ta chonin hei cv pdf a thui de wa dangai lo khanin mi link I penga I link a khani professional cv kha online in engkim polish twekin design na lutok tak main a vek dona chumi chu service ka pe ni chu tenga in cm du chon hei more info in tianga chonin khami page hana kal pui don ta chewa mo hei services providing your professional needs entinanin sumdong mi ini emo zirlai ini emo katingang ilotlin na te enge I work experience kating ang zong kha itarlan du chonin online ai tarlan du chuan kami kha service kan pe a ti chonin mania sumdon na he small private business tan landing page na lutuk tak mai kan design theba ka omzia chu I product I lang do I product man te product description te mi engzai nge leito ti te customer feedback reviews ti ang chi zong song po kha khati ang chi landing page tan khanin jazer hian in offer ape boka chonin miscellaneous entilanin event I organize do tani it could be seminar webinar conference or any other sport events mo khati ang chi kha I organize do ta khati ang tak khanin I online na hati ang event well organize ti online na hianin it can attract more participants and customers chuwan chonin to make your events look more professional and reliable they will be hosted directly on the jazer website omje jazer hianin in thil tur kha kan ron organize don lo cheu ma se we will simply showcase your events online for optimal visibility ma tiang khan chu chuan hei footer ania hei poimol to publish your blogs on jazer health and fitness ani emo science and technology ani emo personal development ani emo business engpo hey product her description ti angchi zong tinanin fitness influencer inia enge personal training te peta khati angchi ang tepo hey experience angchi tepo blog angin jazer website a henin a free ni ron publish thei don ani amaro chu a free ron publish thei rol hianin quality control measure kan nei ve a khami manghan publish la kan em siam thngai om ti ve te kha kan lo en dik ve don ani e contact us ti hi kan nei bokomo ta henin full name chunga email in chulenga message in chulenga ti chuan hemi submit in ron ti khanin ka email address a heng ho ha aron thlenga chuanin karon changlet mai don cheu animo ti chuanin hei copyright 2017 to 2023 by jazer 2017 ani na chan chuna kina kan sayang e ka home page ania seal te mai ni tuna webinar page ang kalang September ni somthum hianin jazer ina a webinar organize masak bertur omdona tlaidar thumachanga tlaidar li Saturday ania omje chu artificial intelligence as your personal research assistant hi webinar title turania amai ro chu personal research assistant hanti khanin business itmo zirlai ini emo business iranemo khati angchi he AI man tangkai theina tur shim kha hemi webinar a hianin kan soidon ani chuman chonin a registration fee potlo ma cheng san hi somma le kani a atlome ma ka webinar dang te ne tekin page on atlom lo to kani ta hianin registration form fill up tur oma chonin payment ina tur hemi payment ti hian hemi click hianin payment page min kal pui don ni mo webinar a kan le lokang tikhanin e a brochure hi panhe om boka ti chuanin ka webinar in ron attend chuan hemi ebook panhe hi a free in share thei don bok ani ka webinar page ani mo ti chuan previous events a hianin mana ka webinar lo organize to le speaker ka lo ni to na zong ka zia khaveka tunga thu ka soi to a eta hianin 1 2 3 4 in te ma ro chu hi tum ni kan organize ani hemi webinar bi mo online training on molecular docking for high impact applications ti hemi hi previous events ania ti chuan ka webinar a hian mo Indonesia le Thailand atangin international participants baka India ram chunga university le institutions shang atangin bachelor students te PG students te PhD scholars le faculties te mau khateng chikha institution somthum don lai atangin ka webinar hi an ron attend ve to emi ka tar lang boka hey ka tutoring page ania you can schedule an appointment with me for a live one-on-one online tutoring session emi seno pangte le khazir lai hi ka damo molecular docking ania 2D QACR modeling ania inhibition constant hey chu kema research ti na line ania ti chuan ador le chuan in ebooks Jazer have a series of ebooks to help you live a better life kan ebook zorte hi self help books de uve kan nia living your best life 10 self help book for summaries 10 self help book summaries for success katong hem tol toka tukalam pol nok mai chuan a le dan tur ta hian engki mom veka read now ti hian a chhiar ve top theini chuan tin ka click anga mo ein dot mek ti han min shruai ve top hei hi ka hon theina chan chu email in ke access theya email kha hemi hianin verified ani lo chuanin nang chuan access thei don chung lo ni chuan chuan lei phota ke mana email ka verify anga ya ebook hi tuna hianin panga chhiar tur oma hemi website atang hianin on kalanga website atang hianin on chhiar zel me don nia le next services mo hei professional online CV premium hosting plan entilanin personalized domain ni duta or personalized email te web hosting fee te okay web hosting fee te chuan website maintenance fee tiếng ha iwa chira ngai wa sha thia me yang mo ne karon shil zoi cheu ni chuan about us Jazer history vision aim vision mo kum sang hi song pasari tang hanin Jazers ti khanin kan in ko tana ti chuan in be different be unique be exclusive tur khan kan in zir tir thina mo chuan Jazer will be a vibrant hub for educational webinars, business insights, and live podcasts that encourage interaction and dialogue. Tahanin Jazer aims to foster a dynamic learning community where knowledge is not just consumed, but also shared and debated. Vision at one, Jazer firmly believes in the transformative power of formal education and self-education. You should always stay away from drugs, alcohol, and tobacco. Welcome to the future of education. Welcome to Jazer. Hey, about us. Next. Our team now mas asir niya ka image no da hama founder lom ve that mai mo co-founder po hela hen oma ven ve me ula mas next contact us email call address heta hi ei mau bok ti te oma republic veng thui model veng Jazer home of the Jazer brand ti ne okay next up payment okay payment hi tu na chuanin I manually ala ti ngai chuanin example la tan mai mai hei hemi ka logo ka ti khamo kan click ang so it takes us back to the home page si la nia chuan in google a han jazer.in ti in vatai panga nei jazer.in mo secure thlapati hen
ole ka online educational brand online business song chang chu ania in she tur poi mo dang le chu hi full time business ani lowa a begin webinar pe ka chu thakata voi ni chu po car to pate ko organize thin ani ama ro chu mi chu sang ten interaction nei na hun te kan ne a hlok thak do me ma ke po thil thar ka zir ne ma hi public speaking ti jai confi taka mi ma thu soi dekha ke ma hin improvement om na sai me ma ti chon in ko webinar a hianin ai thu hong mai ka soi ngai lowa and then anin abik takin ke ma ni research thil ani page anin participants tena an mani research work te mo research paper an ziana emo an mani ni tina practical an tina an man tang kai the ang tur thil hi kan zirtira kan soi nge nge ni webinar ti hanin thu soi satli ni lowa in zirtir education pe ka ani chomo chu wanga Jazer po hi an online educational brand ti ani ya chu wang chanin a quality hi kan uluka thu ho mai soi te kan dulo a chan chu registration fee an pe a an hun lu tak se ngin kan webinar ten ron attend ve a khami kha an lok le tur ni an lok pui le tur ni knowledge lama an lok pui le tur ni ti chonin chumi ba ka chonin career guidance ang chite po kanin pe bok traina khami kha karon soi bel duwa a businessman kan ni nge entrepreneur kan ni nge enge kan ni chu kala sha chong lawa ma se kha kha chu inga idan dan nia nang manin ne lo comment section a ho mi ron shilula am I a businessman or am I an entrepreneur mo okay anyway it's a good day I had a good time explaining those things nang nipon in lok pui ka ringa formal education and self education ina thil ti thei je chu hei PhD pharmaceutical science a khatia website develop varingot mo self education hi tangkai le tu kani self education hi kan formal education pui tur tan phe chani thil tangkai le tu kani chuan chonin mani in zir pe thil zir pe hi poi mo ka ti le tu kani kami kha karon motivational speech do lo me be different, be unique, be exclusive, stay away from drugs, alcohol, and tobacco. Nitinin kan thenjina tisa le tharawa mason turin pe tang tang zela